Hey, this is Abhishek, and in this video, I'll be going to demonstrate you my fifth exercise, which is based on the subquery and the correlated query. So, before we go into the deep, I would like to tell about subquery and the correlated subquery. So, basically, subquery is a query inside a query, whereas correlated subquery is the nested of query which is being accessed by the outer subquery after query. So over here you can see that there's a table known as student and another table known as marks. So over here you can see this is the select a dot student a dot name b dot total. So over here you can see that this is the outer query. While as over here you can see marks over here where table for this is the inner query. The result of a inner subquery, select total marks from marks where student is equal to this student ID is given over here. So this is a subquery. And what is a correlated subquery? So over here this is an example of a correlated subquery that actually shows all the including the furniture finished in the national lab. So after that over here you can see what is select distance order from order line T where exists. So actually there exists operator institute value over here, that's and where this order line. The subquery is testing the values that come from a outer subquery. So over here select this is the outer query and this then inside query. Actually a correlated subquery always refers to the attribute from the table reference in the outer subquery in the outer subquery. So now there are few questions. There are few questions. Now I'll be explaining the subqueries and the queries. Okay. So I already created my table in my first video of the database, and in that same table I'll be explaining you the subqueries and correlated subqueries. So where in the first question is asked that I'm the customer who have ordered for a cherry or a red oak finish. So here's the query. There's a select customer name from there's a column known as customer name while the customer 338 is the table. The customer ID in select in that means I'm select customer ID from order. If there's an order table known as 338, the order ID in this or in order ID from order line 338 where product ID in select product ID from product 338 where product material in cherry oak. So over here you can see this is the example of a subquery where there is a query inside a query. So over here you can see there is a select name from a select column name from table name. The customer ID is a query, and beside that again if you're using select column name and the table name, that's the subquery inside that. So over here you can see that actually we are asking to display the customer name, and the customer name is being displayed over here like Henry, Smith, Richard, Goldman, and John too. Now moving on to the next question. For the next question, it asks that find the names of the customers who have ordered the product table lamp, and it specifically specifies that we have to use in. So now the query goes as like select customer name. That's a column name from the customer 338. I have given the table name as 338 where the customer ID is cell in. We are using n as mentioned in the question, and after that we have to select the customer ID from the that's the column name, and from which column which table we have to select, that is from order 338, and where the order ID in there's again a query inside the query, so it's also a subquery where select order in from the order line 338 where product ID in select product from product 338 where the product where now there's the condition over here based on for the if someone is wants to apply some conditions over there, then they can use a where inside a query for making conditions like product description. There's a column name and product distribution in table now. So over here you can see all the customers name who have ordered for a product known as a table land, and in the result we get only two names, that is John Doe and Henry Smith. So then now let's move into the third question. So find the details of the customer who have ordered the product ID for product ID 1000, and you have to use exist. So already in the beginning of the video I explained what exist stands for. So select star. Star denotes like we are selecting each and every column from a particular row, and that's the particular table, and the table name is customer 338 over here, where where exist where exist select star from order 338 with customer dot customer ID and order dot 330. The order is 338 customer ID, and as you have to select star from the order line 330 with the order ID and order ID of the product, and there's over here we use like product the product ID is 1000 over here. This and after that you can see over here the particular state has been the customer name and the customer address, city, state, and pin code has been mentioned over here. So the customer over here, the customer name is Henry Smith. And after that, moving on to the fourth question. The fourth question states like that: find the supplies whose total supply quantity is greater than supplies called as 3, use n. The specific mentions that if you use n to select stock from the supply 338, where the order quantity is greater than any select order. Order quantity from the supply 338, where SID is S4. So over here you can see that we have to check, we are displaying all the table from supply 338, where the order quantity order where the order quantity is greater where the order quantity is greater than any other selected quantity from the supplies. And as the screenshot you can see over here that all the order quantities which are greater than the order quantity from the supply 338, where supply ID is mentioned as S4 has been displayed over here. And now moving on to the fifth question. The fifth question it says like find the supplies with the highest rating use, and if you use all.